Welcome to Technical Writing and Communication for Product Owners. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the importance of technical writing skills for a product owner and discuss some best practices in technical writing. Imagine you've built an amazing product, but your team struggles to understand how to develop it further. Your stakeholders misunderstand your requirements. Your users can't figure out how to use it effectively. What's missing? Clear, precise communication. As a product owner, mastering technical writing isn't just a skill, it's your superpower. Let's explore why. Traditional and technical writing serve different purposes. Traditional writing often focuses on storytelling, persuasion, or artistic expression. It aims to evoke emotions or engage readers personally. Examples of traditional writing include novels, essays, and editorial pieces. Technical writing, on the other hand, is precise, objective, and functional. Its goal is to convey complex information clearly and concisely, making it actionable for its audience. Examples include user manuals, system documentation, and requirements specifications. Key characteristics of technical writing include clarity, brevity, and audience-focused content. So why are technical writing skills important for a product owner? A product owner serves as the bridge between stakeholders, customers, and the development team. They act as the voice of the customer. Effective communication ensures that requirements are understood and delivered as intended. Technical writing skills empower product owners to communicate clearly and precisely, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Technical writing helps product owners create clear user stories. User stories in agile frameworks define the who, what, and why of a requirement, guiding development teams. User stories must be accurate and concise, reflect the true needs of the customer, and be validated by the development team. For example, a vague user story like create a feature for notifications lacks clarity. A better version might be, as a user, I want to receive email notifications for order updates so I can stay informed about my purchase status. Clear user stories ensure development teams understand requirements and deliver functionality aligned with user needs. Additionally, technical writing is vital for documenting requirements and specifications. Clear requirements ensure that developers, testers, and stakeholders share a common understanding of the product's functionality. For example, the product owner must create an accurate definition of done. This definition specifically describes exactly what the development team will create to satisfy a user story need and provide value. While documenting system requirements, technical writing minimizes errors or misinterpretations by providing a blueprint for developers and testers. Technical documentation preserves knowledge, ensuring continuity when team members change and helping reduce onboarding time when they transition. The product backlog must be updated, prioritized, and continually refined. Status must be reported to all stakeholders in an accurate, timely, and concise manner. Technical writing also plays a crucial role in developing product roadmaps. Comprehensive documentation helps stakeholders understand the vision, priorities, and timelines. Precise documentation is required to meet legal and regulatory requirements in industries like healthcare or finance. Managing stakeholder expectations is one area in which technical writing is invaluable. Clear documentation reduces miscommunication, prevents misaligned expectations, and prevents rework. Now, let's explore some best practices that product owners can adopt to excel in technical writing. First, know your audience. Tailor the language and details of your communication to the audience, whether they are developers, testers, or business stakeholders. For instance, use technical jargon with developers but avoid it with non-technical stakeholders. Next, focus on clarity. Use precise, unambiguous language. Ensure requirements are specific, testable, and verifiable. Instead of saying, the system should load quickly, specify, the system should load within 2 seconds. Another essential practice is organizing information logically. Structure your content using headings, bullet points, and numbered lists. For example, you can break down complex requirements into sections such as functionality, dependencies, and constraints. Using standardized formats helps build consistency. Leverage templates and frameworks, such as the INVEST criteria for user stories. INVEST stands for independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small, and testable. Iterating and refining documentation ensures it stays relevant. Review and update documentation based on feedback and evolving requirements. For example, collaborate with developers during sprint planning to refine user stories and maintain a current product backlog. Lastly, incorporate visuals in your communication. Use diagrams, flowcharts, or mockups to complement textual descriptions. For instance, include a wireframe to illustrate a user interface design. In this video, you learned that technical writing focuses on conveying complex information clearly and concisely, making it actionable for its audience. It is precise, objective, and functional. Technical writing helps product owners in writing user stories, documenting requirements and specifications, preserving knowledge to ensure continuity when team members change, developing product roadmaps, fulfilling legal and regulatory requirements, and managing stakeholder expectations. Best practices product owners can adopt to excel in technical writing are: know your audience, focus on clarity, organize information logically, use standardized formats, iterate and refine documentation, and incorporate visuals.